Most home cooks tell me the same thing. They love cooking, they enjoy experimenting, but when it comes to creating their own dishes, they freeze. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because the reason is something completely different than you probably think. Hi, I'm Michal. I spent more than a decade working in the fine restaurants, and for the past few years I have been coaching home cooks and chefs from all over the world. And today I want to show you why so many home cooks struggle to be creative even after years of cooking, and what you can do to finally change that. Here is the first thing you need to understand. Most home cooks spend years learning in the way that actually kills creativity without even noticing it. Think about it. You follow recipes, you memorize steps, you repeat exactly what someone else designed. And sure, the food turns out good, but what you're really training is the ability to copy, not the ability to understand. You become good at following, and that becomes obvious the moment you try to make same dish again. One time it's perfect, the next time it's different, and you have no idea what changed. There is no structure, no clarity, no feedback, just guessing. And that's usually the moment people start believing they are not creative. But nobody is creative without understanding. Creativity doesn't came from ideas, it came from skills. And skills came from knowing what you're doing. People often ask me why chefs seem so naturally creative, why they can just look at the ingredient, came up with something new. Here is the secret. Chefs are not naturally creative, they just learn differently. While home cooks learn recipes, chefs learn techniques. Home cooks try to memorize dishes. Chefs build the systems in their mind. Home cooks think in ingredients. Chefs think in structure, flavor balance, temperatures and timing. That's why a chef can walk into kitchen, see 5 ingredients, and immediately know what to do with them. And it's not a talent. It's simply that they train the right skills. So if you're a home cook and you don't feel confident, there are usually 3 hidden reasons behind it. The first reason is that you never learn a system. Without structure, everything in the kitchen feels random. You can get lucky, but you can't repeat it. The second reason is that you never had a proper feedback. You only see your cooking from your own perspective. So when something goes wrong, you don't know why it happens and what to adjust. And the third reason, probably the most harmful one, is that you believe creativity is a talent, a gift, something you either have or you don't. But creativity is a skill built through understanding, repetition and guidance. Nothing more, nothing less. And something beautiful happens the moment you start learning cooking the right way. When you stop collecting recipes and you start learning techniques, everything begins to click. Suddenly, you understand why sauce breaks and how to fix it. You understand why chicken becomes dry, why your seasoning sometimes feels flat, and why your plating doesn't look the way you imagined. Cooking stops being a mystery and starts becoming a language you can speak. From that moment, creativity becomes natural, not forced, not stressful, just natural. Your cooking becomes intentional, your plating becomes cleaner, and you stop guessing and start designing. You begin to create dishes you're proud of, dishes that represent you, not someone else's recipe. And this transformation has nothing to do with talent, it has everything to do with learning the right skills. This is exactly how I become creative in the kitchen, and it's exactly how I teach my students whenever they are completely beginners or professional chefs. We don't chase random dishes, we build a foundation, we create clarity, we unlock creativity step by step. And if you're someone who wants to develop your creativity faster, if you want to understand techniques, plating, flavor, and truly grow as a cook, I recorded a short video where I explain how my online coaching works. You will find it in the link below. Watch it, see if it resonates with your goals, And if it's feel like the right next step, you can apply. And no matter what path you choose, remember this: you are not creative. You simply haven't learned in a way that allows creativity to grow. But once you do, your entire cooking journey start to change. Thanks for watching, and remember, cooking should be fun in the first place, so don't stress about it too much.